Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to knit under loose strands. So if you're working a pattern and you come across something that says ULS, that's abbreviation for under loose strands. So your pattern will probably have some sort of strands, some sort of yarn that runs across the front of the work. So knitting under loose strands is just like it sounds. You're going to go under the strands and knit your next stitch. Okay, so you're just going to take your needle, go under the loose strands, and then knit however you're supposed to according to the pattern. And then you just want to make sure you come back under so that you can sort of pick these loops up like this. Okay, I'll show you that again. This is a new pattern I'm working on. Okay, so knitting under loose strands, you're just going to knit under these strands here. So bring your needle under the strands and then knit your next stitch. Make sure you come back under the strands and back up. Okay, that is how you knit under loose strands. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button. You'll be notified every time I post a video. I'll see you next time.